Hello, class. Hello, my friends. I want to talk a little bit more about the character analysis assignment that is due on Sunday. Now, let me get this settled for us. I have given you pretty complete instructions here, but I want to talk a little bit about the assignment itself. It's a character analysis. This is not a literature class. This is an argumentative writing class. We are examining different genres of writing. The first week we did a personal narrative. Last week we did a rhetorical analysis, and now we're doing a character analysis. But all three of those are dealing with arguments. In this one, I'm asking you, how does Dave Eggers in The Circle use a character, your choice, a character to advance his argument? I think by now we already know that Dave Eggers is a little bit skeptical about social media. You may agree with him, you may not. I do at times, I don't at times. I don't care what your stance is, but I do care that you show me how Dave Eggers uses a character to advance his position. This is not a plot summary. This is an analysis, not a description. Please, please, please remember that. You will talk about what the character does and how does Eggers use that to show that character as a good example or as a bad example. Either one. It doesn't matter that you haven't finished reading the book. You could talk about just one scene. May coming in being overwhelmed by the circle. One exchange of information between May and some of her colleagues. But please be sure to realize this is a character analysis, not a character description. And as always, if you need anything, let me know. I'm here to help.